why should I feel like holding up the shelter from Jefferson if this Jefferson should be? Hey, why should I feel like holding up the shelter